Hi everyone. So last class we discussed about that some simple formula on Excel. Just like that simple formula we are using in the daily life. Also we focus about the macro function. We focus about that VLOOKUP and other functions. So today we'll go for the next advanced thing, that is pivot table. You can see if you open your Excel, go to insert tab, and here you can see the pivot table. Okay, pivot table means if you have the large number of data, you want to be make the dashboard, simplify dashboard to show someone about your data, about your statement, about your information. So that time you can use the pivot table. So pivot table helps to be represent your data in a graphical way, so it much easier for the someone those who are not very much interested about the data. They can get the information quickly from that. Okay. So I already put it here the data sheet. So if you want to be create that pivot table, so what you need to, first you need to the data, then after that if you want you need to be formatting, and it's not big deal. Then just need to be select. For select you just do one thing, select through your mouse, or you can do another shortcut key, control plus A. Okay, then after that you need to be go to insert, click here pivot table. If you want to know about the shortcut key, that time you need to be click on alt key, then click here N for pivot table V. And if you want to that from table range, from external pivot table, from table, then here asking about do you need in the existing worksheet or new worksheet. Like I need in the new worksheet. So if you need existing, the pivot started here. If you choose that new, then that will be start in the new sheet. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, so what is the help of pivot table? If I want to be see about that filter option, if I want to be sort and other things, so I can do here. Like look at this. I need the student. Okay, student ID and mark. Okay, look at this, student ID and total mark. Just like simple filter. Okay, but it's good for the large data. If you have large number of data, that time you can use that pivot table. If I want to be show someone, like in our college or school have a student and class, which class how many students, or if I click on the mark of, look at this. Oh, I need to be select. Okay. Sorry, if you want to show someone about mark. Okay, so who's equal what you can see here, what is the percentage of mark secure. Okay, like if I want to be represented in a graph. Okay, if someone want to be represented in a graph, you just need to be select or control A, whatever you want. I click on control A, then go to the insert, click here recommended chart, or if you have the knowledge then you can choose from here. But if you don't have the match knowledge that which chart will be the better for this type of data, so that time click on the recommended chart. Okay, click here, then choose the chart. If you need that but bar chart, you can choose your column chart. For this I am choosing the column chart. Okay, so you can choose from here column chart. Look at this. Okay, here the student ID. If here you can click, okay, you can choose the filter and other options. Like if I need only that student 6 4 and 3 roll number students mark, so here showing only that student mark. If I need everyone mark, so you can click select all, then you can get the mark of everyone. Okay, okay, here is the one problem. Yes, leave the sum of, okay, not sum of, you can value setting count. Okay, okay, sorry, it was correct. Now if someone need that another filter, like I want to create a student class. Okay, class wise everyone, I think that both everyone in the class of 10. Okay, okay, so that's the thing. If I want student name, okay, then as per the name mark, who secure how much, then also I can choose. If I want to see that student wise exam type, okay, I can see also here. Okay, if you want you can use the slice function here, like I'm showing. Like look at this, here the student wise mark, you can choose the id wise mark also. If you want you can choose the class wise marks too. Which class what's the mark. Okay, like I'm selecting this student name wise mark. If I want to be put the slice function, go to the insert pivot analysis. What is that? What is the slice? Mm, okay, insert slice, that I need the student name and here the mark. Okay, look at this. I create two slice here. So what is the benefit of this slice? Like I need the mark only the Akash. Here only I need Priya. I need Rahul. I need Riya. So what is the benefit of using the slice? You not need to be every time go to that pivot table, choose the data. You can choose it here. Like I need only the Akash and Sneha. Look at this. Okay. I need Sneha and Rahul. I can choose it here. Okay. So generally it helps you to create the dashboard. Okay. I'm taking another space, clean here, make it clean. Then put the data there. Select O. We can create one quality dashboard for that. Like look at this. I'm creating to be choose that color code. Okay. Then if you want, go to here. It's fine. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let's go to the sheet one. Here I need another chart. If I need another chart, like go to insert, click on the new sheets, and I need city students, city wise students, and that click on the here and here the okay. So in the row I put the city name, in the value I put the count of number of students. So you can see that which city, how many number of students are studying or giving the exam. Like Barampur to Bhubaneswar 6, Cuttack 4, Puri and 2. Here if I want to be create any chart, select first. For select I already told you, if you want to select then you can do it manual or select control, click on control A, just click here, go to here. I need map chart. Let's see if you cannot be typed in. Okay, we cannot will do that. Now for select, if you need any other chart, I select this chart. For that number of students is for the city. Okay, here you can see that in Puri number of student is 2, Cuttack 4, Bhubaneswar 6, and the Barampur 2. Okay, if I want to be change the color, if I want to change the color of this bar, okay, you just click here, go to design, format, click here, and you can change the color. Just someone wants to put the yellow color, then they can be choose the yellow. If someone need green, okay. If you want to be increase the font size here, so just simply click here, go to home. You can increase the font size from here or also here. If you want to bold, italic, simple thing, underline. Okay. Okay. Maximum time, what happened that this mm, grid line not needed for that chart, so you can remove it from here. How you can remove it? Go to here, this plus icon, chart element, click here and choose here grid line, turn off this grid line. Okay, if you need you can choose turn on. Data table show in the below, you can see that uh, city name and the total number of student. Okay, you choose your axis also, so axis title also, so data label already on. But if you want to look at this, if you want to the number of students, so here you can click here. Okay, so click here, you can see the Puri number of students is 2, Cuttack 4. Okay, if someone need that these two, so in inside the bar, so what you will do, click on here and choose inside base. Okay, if you want to be here, then inside end. Okay, also if you need more function, then click on the more options. Okay, you can do much better things if you need it, but basic thing, basically we don't need the much more things for the basic work what we are doing in our college. Our here Here, if I want, I can choose the color. Just like for the background color, I need here the white color. Okay, you can choose the color. Here, I am increasing the font size. Okay, bold the color. Okay, if you need that advanced feature, like I don't want this background white background, I want to change the background. So just click on format. Here you can choose the background color. Okay, if you not need the background, here you can click the no fill. Okay, if you not need the outline outside, look at this. Here you can see one border outline. So if you not need that outline, you can click here and remove that one. Okay, so now here I'm copied, put it into our dashboard, what we're making now. Okay, then if I need the border, I can give, I need that black. Okay, okay. Now the another things is, mm, hmm, now I can go to the pivot table. Okay, here I can click the recommended pivot. Then here show what kind of we can do. Okay, like count mark by city, sum of mark by city, count mark by sections. Okay, like I need the section wise marks. I need that this city wise mark already we completed. I need this. So here click here. You consider that subject wise you can. No, it's not correct. In the four subject, okay, in English exam only in the 10 plus 10, okay, only in the 2. Mm, subject wise. Mm, I need, okay, I'm here taking another draft of data. Data. Okay, I am just, hmm. So I'm taking another data. Here you can see, okay, I take another data related to that sales report. If I want to be generate the pivot table, so it's simple. You just need to do the first I'm managing the space. Okay, first you need to the click on order ID, click Control A, or if you want to do manually, you can select on your mouse. Then go to insert, click here pivot table. If you don't have a means you don't have any idea that what type of chart or table I'll create, then create here the recommended pivot table. Here you can get suggestions from here, like you can create this type of chart, like total amounts payment method and the total amount of receipt. Okay, like we are choosing here that simple one. Go to that new. If you want, you can choose here the existing. Need to be choose the location if you are choosing the existing, but if you are new, not need to be do that. Just click here. Okay, we created another one. As per the date, I want to check the sales or payment total amount as per the date. You can see as per the date here the total. Okay, so if you want to convert it into the chart, you just need to be select the data, go to insert. Here insert, if you don't have the idea, you can create the recommended chart, or if you have the knowledge that what type of chart you need to be create or you are needing for, then you can choose here. Right now I don't have any idea that what type of chart I will be create for this data. Then just click here. Okay, you can select here, then here, or you can map. Okay, so line chart, here I'm just considering here that column chart. Okay, or line chart. You can see, that it's for the date, the total amount of sales here. Okay, I'm removing the heading. Here I'm putting that. Okay, if you want, you can keep the formatting like border. Okay, like it. Okay, if I need the total students. Okay, if I want to create that donor chart, like city wise total number of which area, how much sales, then go to here. We are all. I need that. This no. First need to be open the pivot chart. Select. Okay. Here I need the city. City, and I want to count the city. Okay. Look at this. Bengaluru to Chennai to Delhi 3. Total city name is 14 out of Bengaluru to Chennai to Delhi 3, Hyderabad 1, Kolkata 2, Mumbai 4. Just a minute. Okay. What is the city name? Okay, customer from. So from Bengaluru, two customer from Chennai, two customer from Delhi, three, or from Hyderabad one. Like I'm trying to turn into in a chart. Go to here. Here suggesting you can choose here. Like I'm choosing here the donut chart. Okay. So you can see that out of total customer, maximum portion is green, and green area is belongs to Mumbai. So number of customer from Mumbai 4, and Bengaluru is 2. Here also showing that maximum number of customer. This color is belongs to Delhi. Okay. If you need, you can change the padding. Like go to here. I'm telling you again. Click here. Right click. Then go to the format data series. Here you choose the donut hole size. Okay. You can choose like this. If you want to show the data, just I am here want to show the data label. Look at this. Okay. I want this little big, bold the number, choose the color white. Okay. If I want to be add the data with mode option. Okay. Sales number 3. Okay. If I need border here, I can choose. Okay. Also, I'm going to the another one, like go insert or need to go here. I need here another things. Okay. I can choose the data here. Since 6, you go to here, click on here, new. If I want that product wise, okay. I want to know that number of product customer buy is for the product wise categories like clothing, number quantity, electronics, grocery. So in the row, I choose the product category. In the value, I choose that count number. Here you can see that how many customer buy what, like Fortune, electronics, Rosni clothing. Like this here you can see that out of 14 customer, 3 customer prefer clothing, electronics 4, grocery 4, home appliance 3. So you also converted into that chart, or if you want to be put it like this, you can click copy here and put it here. Okay. Okay. Okay, you want to modify, you can convert it into that. Okay, you can do like this. If I need that chart for this also, I can do. Insert, go to here. Okay, so here you can see that clothing. Okay, if you want to be at the data, like bottom. Okay, you can grid line at the data level for better visual. And someone want to the call the bar chart, already told you. And for simplify, for if you want to be give us different color for different bar. Okay, look at this. If you want to be means not try to do the maximum manual work, but need some different type of chart, you can click on here. Go to design. First, click on your chart. Go to design. On design, you can choose here what type of design you need. Like someone need this type, someone need this type. Okay, but if you need the specific custom type, that time you need to be do it manually. Like I like this one, so I can choose it. Okay, another. If you want, you can check by payment mode. Already we completed these things. As per payment mode. Okay, as per city, number of city. Okay, here the clothing number of. Okay, if I need another one is 6, and here I need like table from external source. Then here 9 payment mode. Out of 14 customer, which payment mode maximum customer prefer? So on payment mode, I put it in the row. If I want to count the number of payment mode, means which payment mode maximum used by the customer. So need to be click here and drag into the value table. On value table, click here, value field setting. Here if you need to be click the count. Okay, you can see that maximum people prefer UPI. Out of 14, 7 people prefer the cash and 3 people using the card. Maximum 3 people use the card. So you also, if you want, you also click copy it here and put it into your dashboard. Like I'm here put it. Okay. Like this. Or I can do another thing like Okay. So you can convert your simply data, normal raw data like this data into this type of dashboard. If I need, I am changing here the background. Not it's not looking good. Okay, normal is okay. Here, if I want here to put design, I can put design. Here I can. Okay. If you need, you can do the design here. Okay. For okay. For freezing, click your view, click your unfreeze, then click here to freeze it all. Okay, sorry, unfreeze. Then select the area to click on. You can do formatting here and putting it to the data. Okay, what is it? I can click here, choose search for color. Like here, consider that I'm taking one heading name. And this is the heading name I'm taking. View on view for number. Okay. Okay. This is the report of product wise sales data or something. You can create your own. Like I need emoji for this. You can go here. For emoji, you can click the window plus V. Here, I need emoji. Or I can download. Or you can go to the insert. Click on here icon. On icon, I can also here choose the icons. Like here, this is the chart I need, or this is the chart. Okay, click here. You can see I get the chart. Okay, sales data. Okay, So look at this. You can do what we can do. You can do your simple tasks. So what you can do, look at this. The raw data was like this, and you can convert this data into this type of chart. Okay, using pivot table. From raw data to you can convert it into the okay. So this is the advantages of the pivot table. Okay, so yeah, for today this much, and next class we will be discuss about the another something advanced feature of Excel.